How to permanently delete Pinterest account. So first open Pinterest app. Then go to Profile, which is below. Again go to Profile, which is top left. Then click on Privacy and Data. Scroll down and click on here, which says Delete your data and account. Closing your account means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All of your Pinterest account data will be deleted. Continue. Here is some options. Please tell us why you're leaving. Choose one of these options. If you not select anyone, you can select other option. And click on here which says Send Email. After that go to Mobile Phone home screen. And open Gmail. After that open New Received Mail. Deleting your account is permanent. And means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted. We'll delete your account and delete your Pinterest account data after 7 days. If you change your mind before 7 days are up, log in with your email and password and we'll send you a link to reactivate your account. Scroll down. Confirm yes, delete account. User not found. Successfully account deleted. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech content.